Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at one of the most futuristic and luxurious motorhomes of 2026, a massive luxury road mansion that completely changes the idea of travel comfort. At first glance, this vehicle does not look like a traditional RV or camper. Instead, it feels more like a futuristic luxury bus mixed with a high-end super yacht on wheels. The design, lighting, and aggressive styling make it look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it is designed for real road travel and ultimate comfort. Starting with the exterior design, the first thing that grabs attention is the massive two-level structure. This motorhome is built like a luxury double-deck vehicle, offering a huge amount of living space. The body features a sleek aerodynamic shape with sharp futuristic lines. The white and black contrast combined with golden accent lighting creates an ultra-premium appearance. LED light strips run along the bottom edges and the front bumper area, giving the vehicle a glowing effect especially at night. The front fascia is extremely modern. Instead of a traditional grille, it uses a smooth black glass style panel with integrated LED headlights. The headlights themselves are thin, sharp, and futuristic with gold accents that match the rest of the design. The windshield is massive, providing a panoramic driving view and giving the motorhome a bold presence on the road. One of the most impressive exterior features is the multi-axle wheel setup. This motorhome comes with 6 wheels, providing better stability and weight distribution for such a large luxury vehicle. The wheels themselves are large black alloy rims with premium gold trim, adding a sporty feel even though this is a massive RV. The wheel arches are sculpted with aggressive lines that make the vehicle look powerful and stable. Another standout element is the side entry system. Instead of a simple RV door, this motorhome has a luxury staircase entrance that automatically extends when the door opens. The steps are illuminated with soft lighting which adds both safety and style. The large panoramic side windows give a glimpse of the luxury interior while also providing plenty of natural light inside. Moving to the upper level, you can see a full second floor with large tinted windows. This area usually houses the master bedroom or private lounge space. The roof design is smooth and aerodynamic, and many luxury motorhomes in this class include solar panels on the roof to support off-grid power needs. Now stepping inside the motorhome, the interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. As soon as you enter, you are greeted by a spacious living area with high ceilings and premium materials everywhere. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and walls, creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere. The living room area features large leather sofas positioned around a smart entertainment system. A massive ultra-thin television is integrated into the wall, perfect for watching movies while traveling or camping. The windows are large and panoramic, giving passengers a beautiful outside view whether parked near mountains, lakes, or beaches. Next to the lounge area is a fully equipped luxury kitchen. The kitchen includes modern appliances such as a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave oven, and built-in coffee machine. The countertops are made from high-end materials like marble or polished stone, giving the space a premium residential feel. Storage cabinets are cleverly designed to maximize space while keeping the interior clean and minimal. Moving further inside, the motorhome includes a luxurious bathroom. The bathroom is designed similar to a high-end hotel, featuring a modern shower cabin, stylish sink, LED mirror, and smart temperature control system. Despite being inside a vehicle, the space is surprisingly comfortable and elegant. One of the most impressive areas of this motorhome is the upstairs master bedroom. The bedroom includes a king-size bed positioned next to large panoramic windows so travelers can wake up to beautiful outdoor views. The room also includes built-in wardrobes, soft ambient lighting, and a private entertainment screen. Some luxury models even include a small balcony extension or panoramic skylight to create an even more open atmosphere. In terms of performance, a vehicle of this size requires a powerful engine system. Most 2026 luxury motorhomes in this category use high-performance turbo diesel engines designed for heavy vehicles. These engines can produce around 500 to 600 horsepower, which is more than enough to move this large vehicle smoothly across highways and mountain roads. Advanced suspension systems help provide a comfortable ride even on long journeys. Air suspension technology adjusts automatically depending on road conditions, reducing vibrations and keeping the ride stable. The multi-axle configuration also helps distribute weight more evenly, improving safety and driving control. Technology is another strong point of this motorhome. The cockpit area includes a digital dashboard with multiple display screens showing navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and camera views around the vehicle. A 360-degree camera system helps the driver maneuver this large motorhome in tight spaces. Advanced driver assistance systems such as lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking are also included. Now let's talk about the price. Luxury motorhomes like this are among the most expensive recreational vehicles in the world. Depending on customization, technology, and interior upgrades, the price can range anywhere from around $800,000 to over $2 million. High-end custom builds with special interiors and luxury materials can even go beyond that range. Although the price is extremely high, buyers in this segment are usually looking for the ultimate travel experience. Instead of staying in hotels, they can carry their luxury home wherever they go. Whether traveling across countries, camping near nature, or attending exclusive events, this motorhome offers comfort, privacy, and style all in one package. Overall, this 2026 luxury motorhome represents the future of premium travel. With its futuristic exterior, luxury apartment-style interior, powerful performance, and advanced technology, it truly feels like a mansion on wheels. For those who want the ultimate road adventure without sacrificing comfort, this type of motorhome delivers an experience unlike anything else on the road today.